Myself Amit Vishnoi. I am a student of FIITJEE Panjai Bagh Center from class 9th in Supreme 4-year integrated classroom program. I decided to join FIITJEE because I came to know through my seniors that the teachers and the study material of FIITJEE was good, and the past result was demonstrating the hard work of the teachers and the quality of the teaching in FIITJEE. Admission in FIITJEE through the Fortunate 40 program, and they offered me 100% scholarship in tuition as well as hostel fees. The class environment of FIITJEE was very fine in terms of competition, as all the students were serious towards their studies and were highly competitive, and teacher ensured that the competition remains in the student and they get good exam temperament through rigorous practice and quizzes, etc. The teachers at FIITJEE were quite good in explaining the concepts, as they were fundamentally very clear, and they took all pain to remove the individual doubts of the students, and they were always ready to take up our doubts even after the classes. And quizzes, CPPs and face tests of FIITJEE was a good material which could prepare us for the competitive exams. It gave us a good practice, exam temperament, and so it actually made us confident. Whenever we went to give any of the competitive tests, we were already comfortable with our concepts and quite confident in solving those questions, so always the result was good. The detailed analysis of the various tests conducted at the FIITJEE Panjai Bagh Center were really helpful for us, because they gave us idea of our weak points and also gave us idea of the areas where we needed to work so as to improve our performance. And due to these detailed analysis, we were able to practice well in various areas, and our performance improved day by day, and due to this we were able to perform better at last. After joining FIITJEE classes, my confidence grew day after day, because the teaching at FIITJEE was very good. Teachers were quite conceptual, and they made every effort to remove every doubt of each and every student, and I observed that my confidence grew day after day in terms of question solving abilities, exam temperament, etc. And in the way, there were many exams that I cleared, like NTSE, then INJSO, KVPY, JSTSE, and they all boosted my confidence that yes, I was going on the right path, and I was developing day by day in terms of my concepts and subject knowledge. So I already knew that yes, the result was going to be good at the last, and the preparation was highly effective in all these 4 years when I stayed at FIITJEE. When our course was over, we have revised all the concept. Then the thing that was needed to be polished was the speed, accuracy, and the All India rank that we were going to score in the final IIT JEE 2013. So then came the role of GMPs, RTPF and All India Test Series provided by FIITJEE. First of all, they issued us GMPs, which contained a lot of questions that gave us rigorous practice on various subjects, and there were good examples which gave us which widened our thoughts, and the thought process was made effective, good and speedy, so that we can solve good questions and new questions effectively whenever they appeared in the exam. Then RTPF and All India Test Series gave us detailed analysis of our weak areas, our All India rank, that they highlighted the All India rank, and we knew that where we stood in terms of the competition when the domain was large and the whole of India was competing. And the questions in the All India Test Series were really good, although they were hard, but they gave us the new questions for practice, so that we were able to solve the questions that appeared in IIT JEE, because they are always new, and you need to go through the good questions of AITS to make yourself or prepare yourself to face the real IIT JEE. When our course was over, we needed to improve our speed and work on our accuracy. So the GMP, RTPF and All India Test Series showed us the way. The GMP contained good questionnaire. They were hard, but they gave us the temperament of real JEE and made us improve our rank. AITS gave us idea that where we stood in the large domain, and so we were able to improve our performance when it came to real JEE. The course material of FITGI was ample and sufficient in terms of concept that we required for effective question solving in IIT JEE. So I don't think that we require to contact so many books for our knowledge gaining. I will always recommend my juniors to join the institutes like FITGI as early as possible, because we see that the cutthroat competition today prevails, and to get edge over others you need to prepare really hard with a good and specialized guidance of the teachers that are available there. FITGI was always there to help us. It showed us a way like a real mentor. Whenever there came any challenges, the administration and teachers were always there to help us in every aspect. Whenever there was a competitive exam, they came ready with their mock test to give us sufficient practice before the test. Then whenever when we went to give the interviews, they arranged several mock interviews which gave us confidence to face the interview panel and perform better. So it was FITGI's effort along with our own hard work that gave us a way to a good result at last. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank FITGI for all that they gave me. Thank you, FITGI.